another note of Shenzhen's never-ending modernity. Here is one of the driverless taxis in Shenzhen, having a battle between old and new. You see, the old folk just want to drive where they want, but the new taxi is being a little bit too gentlemanly. As I've said before, my main advice in China is don't be chivalrous, because you'll be left like a goddamn sucker. Robot taxi, baby. Even though it says bus on the side, it's definitely not a bus. But now you got to figure out how to get inside. Wow. That's insane. How'd you get in? Oh, you got to put in a code. Wow. I mean, that's logical, but... Uh-oh, wrong code, illegal. Social credit down. That's crazy. What brand of car is it? What kind of car is that? I don't even know what car that is. But anyway, everything's high-tech in Shenzhen. From the cars to the floors. See, the problem is we're just old-fashioned humans. We're like human 1.0. This is 2.0, you know, so...
Oh, it has a button. Okay.
The car is too fancy for you.